Wonderful day to all of you. In this video, I am going to talk about top 7 career options for the arts and humanities students after 12th. Okay, so arts and humanities is the one stream which is constantly underplayed, even though it had produced a lot of individuals who had changed the face of the industry. So, if you had completed already 12th in arts and humanities stream, and if you are worrying about the myth, created by the people for the past 2-3 decades, then you leave everything and trust me, there are numerous options out there for you, and hot careers, trending careers are there, especially in this current situation. Okay, so let us deep dive into what are the career options which we are going to see for arts and humanities stream. Okay, so number one option is liberal arts. So liberal arts is one rare academic program that gives student a lot of flexibility to combine different subjects from various disciplines. Okay, for example, students can study subjects from humanities, social science, and it can be also natural science, mathematics and statistics, and also your performing arts, music, dance. So everything is combined together in one package that is called liberal arts. Okay, so students can choose an area of specialization based on their interest. Once they finish the graduation, the career options are very broadened. Okay, so the understanding of the liberal arts would provide the students with a broad range of spectrum of skills and knowledge. Okay, this is my top recommendation. That is the first recommendation will be the liberal arts. The second one is mass communication. So you can do a BA in mass communication. So if you want to enter into the as a TV anchor, news anchoring with the companies, or if you are someone who want to become a leader in a digital content sphere, be it a YouTube content creator or working with startups to design their marketing campaigning, or you can be their branding manager. So this course will give you a complete understanding of marketing trends and how to become an influencer in your particular field, along with the consumer behavior. So that is also one form of psychology only. So what are the career options under this mass communication? That is, you can become a YouTube content developer, marketing consultant, copywriter, social media strategist, podcast jockey, radio jockey, news anchor, video journalist, content creator, and digital marketing manager. So number 3 that I would suggest is bachelor's of design. So design field has got numerous opportunities out there. So if your creativity is at the next level, so if you are very creative, then you can go for this bachelor's of design. So this particular degree will help students in enhancing their skills of imagination, visual sensibility, artistic talents, global vision of design, creativity and marketing trends. So in design, there are a lot of specializations are available. So it starts with product design, communication design, fashion design, interior design, UI UX design, and so on. So apart from product design, so because that needs, some of the universities put the eligibility as mandatory as science with math. Okay, so that is only for product design. Other than that, other design specialization needs arts and humanities. These are some of the options in for bachelor's of design. So then comes the fourth option is bachelor's of event management. So either you can do a BA in event management, or BEM you can do, or even BBA in event management. So this is self-explanatory, right? So the name itself is a self-explanatory. So here this course will teach student A to Z of the event, right from the promotions to the logistics to the finance. So some of the career options in this field are: you can become a public relations manager, promotions manager, marketing development manager, artist manager, so event anchor, event promotion designer, and so on. Okay, so these are all some of the options in event management. So then comes the fourth one is a bachelor's of arts, BA. So this is one degree which has got numerous specializations offered in almost in every country. Okay, so here So it ranges from economics to music to language to journalism. So some of the specializations I will tell you: BA in psychology, BA economics, journalism, literature, music, political science, philosophy, geography, tourism studies, history, and languages. So you can take BA in English, Hindi, Marathi, German, French, and many more. Okay, so some of the universities even offer honors also if you want to go in depth into all these specializations, right? And so where you can do a lot of research. So in that case, you can prefer BA honors in that specialization. Okay, so this is the fifth option. So the option number 6 is hotel management. Okay, so the hotel management comes under the hospitality management. So hospitality management is the superset of hotel management, tourism and travel, and catering science. Because this hotel management, if you see, so you know the demand, the current demand of this hotel management industry, right? Especially at the COVID time also, right? So here graduates of hotel management, what they will do is they can work in the event management companies, as a catering manager, food and beverage, F&B, right, directors, etc. So in fact in today's situation also, more and more companies are hiring F&B managers and directors to make sure that their clients get the best dining experience and their overall efficiency improves. Okay, so so these are some of the career options, in hotel management. So then comes the last one, seventh one, is Bachelors of Fine Arts and Performing Arts. So Bachelors of Fine Arts and Performing, it's all about again creativity only. So fine arts is more onto the painting, photography. Performing arts is more onto the theater, dance, singing, music, etc. So here, important skills implemented and learnt in this particular course: fine arts or drawing, sketching, visualization, at the same time problem solving, communication, graphic designing, etc. So if you want to be a performing artist, right, you can go for the course for Bachelors of Performing Arts. Okay, so some of the career options in these two fields, if you see, you can become a stage designer, visual artist, content writer, or illustrator for books. Okay, so screenplay writer, you can be an even art teacher also. So huge demand for arts and crafts teacher in many schools, so that you can do. So one diploma is also there actually after 12th, so diploma in art teaching, so that also you can pursue. So you can become a 3D designer, an animator, so you can become a cartoonist, so set designer, so you can become a choreographer or musician or dancer, and also the creative content marketer. So all these options are available in for this Bachelors of Fine Arts and Performing Arts. So so are you still confused about what you want to pursue, in out of all these things? So then you can reach out to me. I can help you in deciding which course you can select. Okay, so I hope this gives you some insights on how to choose the career options, especially for the arts and humanities students after 12th. So if you like the like my video, hit like, or you can put your inquiries on the comment box. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.